Welcome to another episode of Dashing DM Dungeons Designs. We're on YouTube. And here is Sir Scale. We slide this up a little bit to make it a little bit easier to reach. And today, Sir Scale and I will be looking at Council of Four. We're going to unbox that. So, and the important question is, what's the mini situation looking like? So, our Council of Four box, it looks promising from the outside. There are a whole bunch of minis. There are, according to the back, 73 miniatures. And even have some dice in there. I think. Maybe no. Maybe no dice, but we'll find out when we unbox it. So, 73 minis. Looks like some may be small. And this is all 3D. Okay, so we open it up. We have some kind of a rule book. Game rules, yes. Hey, getting pretty good at guessing this stuff. Some counters, looks like some couriers and some other stuff. And some more stuff and things. And look, there's some more stuff and things. And there looks like a map. Hey, I love maps. So I don't know if you could utilize that in your campaign or whatever, but it's a good map board. Nice and thick. Okay, we're getting to the good stuff. Why, yes, minis. Let's get these all out of the way. Well, I'm not sure what they are. They're bags. I guess you can bag up your minis afterwards. There appears to be a silver force field. Force field in the way. Let's pull that out. There's some cards, but don't know what they're for, but, you know, when we read the rules, we might do that. Okay, this is going to look, seems like it's going to be harder than thought. Oh, there's tape. Why did they tape it? Why? Okay, well, we're going to set the camera up. You can stare at the artwork on the side of the box for a few seconds while hold on, before I actually open the box. There is a whole bunch of small minis on the back with some larger ones. So, I mean, I have to pull them out after all. The larger ones, if you look at Sir Scale on the same level, they are, there you go. How's that looking? They're about 28 millimeter. So, you got those. And then it looks like you have the same exact things in small. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that'd be 44 small minis. 4 large ones on this side. And 25, so 29 large minis. Oh, that's not a bad deal. 25 minis. It's looking like there's some kind of knight, and there looks like a merchant dude, and a mage type merchant dude, and a cleric type whatever, and a female courier, and another type female courier, and I'm going to assume that's the queen. So, looking at the back, nope, that's the back over here. Nothing but the highest production quality at Dashing DM Dungeon Designs. So, and you can see what the ones on the back look like because they're facing in. Looks like merchants and other type stuff, all merchants. So if you need a handful of NPC type dudes, and you're trying to set up a court scene, these might not be a bad deal, depending on what price you can get these for. I don't remember what I got these for. I think I got this for $10 at a discount Ollie's, which is a super discount store near us. So, I mean, $10 for 29 miniatures. So that's like 40 cents a piece plus, you know, all these little guys who, hey, you could have a horde of halfling people coming in. You could have lots and lots of little halflings or gnomes or goblins or other small type creatures. So, yeah, that's, it's not a bad deal. So, and plus you got a bunch of other stuff with it. So, for that is us. And, it is time for us to go because we're at the 5-minute mark. Good luck. Roll on. Adventure on.